welcome guys, it's Khamani, and we have this super ginormous marble run, and it's all included. And so I'm going to show you what it really looks like. So first we start at here. The marble goes up here, and then this goes down and back up, and it picks all the marbles to there. Second is when they go all the way down. There's three roads, and they just go right here. Start again. That's the end. So I'm gonna talk about here. They have the strings right here in case the marbles get stuck right over here. And see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One right over here, and they have a lot of spots. Just gotta wait for these people. Come on. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment, because coming soon we have a good, awesome one, right?
Yep.
And I'm gonna show you the one who's videotaping.
No, come on, don't do it.
Okay,
Please.
bye.